Alright guys, I am back in the garage today, and today what we're doing is we're not going to work on the 210 just yet. I just ordered a bunch of parts for this car. Your basic spark plug wires, filter, what else? I think oil filter, and that's pretty much it. It's not a bunch, but it is a bunch. And I need to just buy oil and coolant. And then after I get the car running, I'm going to go do the transmission fluid and the rear diff fluid. So we're gonna do all that little small maintenance stuff just to get this car running first. Once it fires up and it's good to go, then I can start doing everything else. But I think in the meantime, while I wait for those parts, I'm gonna do a deep clean on the engine bay, but that'll be in the next few days, so you guys will see that video. But today, I'm gonna be working on the Supra. On the Supra, I have my whole rear end here, so you guys can see right there. Diff, nothing's mounted yet, but I just had it on the wheel dolly so I can move it around and stuff. So I'm gonna piece together everything here. It was cleaned up, I gotta wipe that down. I'm gonna piece together everything, and today we're gonna install the Rudeboy Special Diff riser. Requires some cutting and all that, so I'm gonna take care of that today. As you can see, it comes with hardware. It comes with a sticker and a little little chart thingy of where to cut, so that should be good. When I piece that together, I'm gonna be cleaning up the rear drum right here, and from there we're gonna be putting the hardware, and I gotta go dig for the hardware bag because I got it mixed up with the Starlet one, so I gotta figure out which one is which. But yeah, that's that. So let's get going and piecing this together. I gotta go clean up back there first to give me more space over here to work on, so let's do that. So here's the Rudeboy Specials mount next to factory mount. This is the diff riser mount. So holes are matched up. You can see. Let's raise it up a good amount. Came with a sticker, little chart, match up and cut. Got this part, and then some hardware. Pretty cool stuff. Not even the right size, damn it. And then this, I don't know if I got this the wrong way, but so I gotta just cut this section out right here with this template, and it's gonna raise this up an inch. pretty awesome product. That's about it right there. So let me cut this up and then measure it, and we'll get to cutting it out on this side. I'm not done yet with the whole subframe, but you know, I got everything cut out and mounted, so let me show you guys that right now. Take this out. Boom. Rudeboy mount is on. And then this is the cutouts, both sides. Cut out a little bit extra just in case. I didn't cut enough. Now we just got to get the hardware, put it on, rebuild the drums with this kit that I got, and then mount this side, and everything should be ready to go up. Also, I got to find the hardware for this. I have misplaced it somewhere. This would be saved for another day. So the next thing I need to do to the Supra is I want to drop the gas tank and inspect inside to see if there's any rust or anything. I want to clean it out. So that's going to be the next task before I put the subframe in. And also rebuild the rear drums. So tomorrow, I'd say, I'm going to start dropping the gas tank and inspecting it and clean it up and check that whole area where the gas tank mounts up to, see if there's any rust or anything, and if there is, we're going to treat it and then put the gas tank back in, and then subframe's going to go back in, and then that will be done and out of the way. I'm thinking of doing the rear drums when the subframe is all up and mounted. The whole suspension and everything is up there, so shouldn't be bad. You know, I can just sit on the floor and just put it all together and stuff. Camera died, but yeah, so I think that'll be a lot easier to do it then. So yeah, next step, I just thought of it right now. So next step is drop gas tank, clean up, mount it back up, and then after that put the subframe and run all of the e-brake lines and what else, and then go order my brake line kit for the front and rears, so I can just have that all hooked up, and from there we should be good to go. Then I can continue the rest of the car, as in clean up the trans and then start working on the engine back there, if you guys can see that one. But so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Close up the garage and then just head out, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. Peace.